1901 South Roosevelt Boulevard, Unit 104 North, is located in one of the most desirable gated communities in Key West and moments away from the turquoise waters of Smathers Beach. At La Brisa.
Make your way through the grounds to your own personal parking space, which is covered and located right next to the elevators. La Brisa also offers carriage carts for your convenience. Unit 104 North is located just off the elevator. Come on in and take a look.
This unit has been tastefully updated for even the most discerning of buyers. As you open the front door and walk down the entryway, you are greeted by the serene views of the salt ponds. Watch herons and egrets catch their dinner and pelicans sunbathe right from the privacy of your private balcony. This home offers peace and tranquility. The updated modern kitchen welcomes you with a clean and minimalistic feel with abundant cabinet storage, under-cabinet lighting, tiled backsplash, and granite countertops. The home's open floor plan features a dining area and an inviting living room, which flows through to a tinted sliding glass door to the balcony. This home features a split floor plan. Both bathrooms have been completely updated and feature glass-walled walk-in showers with custom tiled accents. The primary bedroom accommodates a king-size bed with room to spare and features a large walk-in closet with built-in storage. The private balcony is accessible from the primary bedroom.
La Brisa also offers many amenities, including a barbecue station where you can entertain family and guests, a private pickleball/tennis court, personal car wash station, a heated saltwater pool and jacuzzi, and remember, be on the lookout for the elusive alligator. Make Unit 104 North your home and end every day out on the porch, having a glass of wine and enjoying the sunset. For more information and to make this quintessential island life living your own, reach out to Dominic Paolillo and Jennifer Potter at Ocean Sotheby's International Realty.
We'll be happy to make it yours.